Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by preparing the hardware and software. This gets you straight into action. Install the correct DJI Assistant 2 build for your model and make sure your computer meets requirements. Once done, charge the drone above 50%, connect via USB-C or micro USB, and power the aircraft on. You need to accept any driver prompts and give the app permission to access the device. This prevents connection failures and lets the software read firmware and logs immediately. You now protect your data because firmware updates change behavior. First, create a full backup of settings and flight logs within DJI Assistant 2. This preserves calibration and user presets. Next, go to the Firmware tab, read the release notes to understand fixes and changes, and pick stable versus latest builds based on risk tolerance. Start the update and make sure to keep the cable connected and the drone powered. Monitor the progress bar and console logs so you can react if the process you finish by validating the system. Calibration ensures safe flights. After the update, perform IMU and compass calibration, then run gimbal auto calibration to restore stable camera behavior. Once calibrated, verify transmitter and control responsiveness in a PropSoft test. Make sure sticks center correctly and sensors report normal values. If anything goes wrong, export the device logs from DJI Assistant 2, reinstall USB drivers, or roll back firmware to the previous stable version. This single troubleshooting step often resolves update-related faults.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.